So here's my fourth technology. This is a unique one here because it's not necessarily just for math. I just found it, and it's a kind of a more obviously it's AutoDraw. So this is a more of a drawing website. Um, so this could definitely appeal to art teachers. Now, the reason that I chose this is because I see a lot of students drawing in my classes, whether it's when they're done with stuff or just even like when I'm lecturing and during class. So I'm trying to incorporate some of the like kind of the ideas of art and drawing and stuff into my classes. Now I haven't came up with anything in particular yet, but this website could help me get to where I need to go. So this has got some really cool things. You can draw, you can type, you can fill, you can draw shapes. So I could do, and this is obviously math here. You can do some different shapes, rectangle, squares, circles, triangles, all that jazz. You can do regular drawings. I can change the thickness of this thing, so like I can make a super thick line, and then also it's got a cool auto draw feature where it kind of guesses. It's like T9 or whatever, where it guesses what you're gonna text. I could just start drawing something and bam, like say, hey, this is it. This is what I want, based off of this list. Maybe I want a broken egg or whatever. So what I want to do is try to find a cool way of, and it would more involve just the shapes, but I want to involve kind of drawing maybe into one of my lessons. And so this would be a great way for me to do that. And you can also change the color there. You can then start over different sheets. You can download, you can share it. It's got some shortcuts and other stuff there that can be explored. So just a really cool little website for all those artists out there, which is this is something that I want to appeal to because it's not necessarily in my nature, the whole drawing thing. But I want to be able to relate to my students in that aspect. So why I selected this, it's a good online tool for students or teachers or anybody who likes to draw. I really like the auto draw feature that can really help you if you're not the best artist wise. I can give you some help there. What was the purpose? Find an online resource for allowing students to express their creativity, hopefully in my idea, a mathematical way. My intended audience, teachers and or students. Teachers can implement this, especially art teachers or just students in general. Cool way to draw online, and you could get a little bit of help there with the auto draw feature. The two ISTE standards, I've got ISTE 5B, design authentic learning activities that align with content area standards and use digital tools and resources to maximize active, deep learning. So I haven't figured out quite how I want to tie this in, but it could definitely be used to create some authentic learning and relate to a lot of kids that love to draw by using this digital tool, and hopefully help increase their learning and their engagement in my class. The second standard is ISTE 6D, model and nurture creativity and creative expression and communicate ideas, knowledge, or connection. So if I was like doing a geometry class, kids could express geometric shapes and concepts with this website using some of the tools that they have. So that's how kind of this one ties in. So very cool website, AutoDraw, and it's more of just kind of a general case here, and not just definitely not for just for math teachers, for anybody in general.